Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to change the headlight bulb. To access that, you turn your steering wheel all the way to the right for the driver's side. And this particular vehicle has an access panel hole. T20 Torx bit. And just turn it. Once you remove the access panel, you reach your hand up in here and you'll see this little cover. It's a black cover. You want to turn it counterclockwise. Pull on it. Now you have access to the bulb. This particular model has 3 locking ears on it. So you're going to twist it to the left and pull the bulb out. Then you can see the lock tab. Pull on the tab, pull the bulb. This 2012 Chevy Equinox headlight is an H11. That's what you would purchase to reassemble it. So now I'm going to put the 3 ears in place and turn clockwise. Lock it in. Find the clip. Put the pigtail into it till you hit snap. So now you're ready to put the headlight access cover back on. Turn it clockwise. Till you hear it lock. Now you can reassemble, put in the fender well cover, line the 3 ears up and turn clockwise. Then reinstall the locking screw. The procedure to do the passenger side headlight is the same as the driver's side. You just want to make sure you turn your steering wheel all the way to the left.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.